Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Data D drive in Windows. Your D drive often serves as a dedicated space for your personal files, distinct from your operating system on the C drive. This separation is crucial for maintaining system speed and organization. It's perfect for storing large media collections, extensive game libraries, or important work documents, ensuring your primary drive remains efficient for daily tasks. To begin using your D drive, first open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E simultaneously. Once open, navigate to this PC on the left side. Here, you will see your D drive listed. Simply double-click it to open, then drag and drop any files or folders you wish to store there. Alternatively, use the familiar copy and paste method. For optimal performance, use your D drive primarily for large personal data like photos, videos, and documents. It's also a great place for application installers or game files. However, avoid installing core operating system components or frequently used programs here, as they typically perform best on your faster C drive. Always create a clear folder structure within your D drive. This makes finding your files much easier later on. To keep your D drive running smoothly, regularly check its available space. You can do this by right-clicking the drive in File Explorer and selecting Properties. If it's getting full, consider deleting old, unused files or duplicate content. For truly critical data, always maintain at least one additional backup, perhaps on a cloud service or an external hard drive, ensuring your important information is safe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.